There are moments in this world when nature doesn't just show its beauty, it performs it. When the quiet night sky suddenly awakens with light, moving, glowing, dancing as if the earth itself is dreaming. This is one of the most breathtaking natural wonders our planet has to offer. It is the aurora. For thousands of years, humans have stood beneath these swirling ribbons of light, feeling both amazed and small. Some call it the northern light, some call it the southern light. But no matter the name, the aurora is a universal symbol of wonder, a reminder that our world is alive in ways we often forget. Imagine standing alone on a winter night in Norway. The snow crunches softly beneath your boot. The air is so cold it stings your lungs. Above you, the sky is deep, dark, and infinite. And then it happens. A faint green glow appears on the horizon like a whisper from the stars. Slowly it grows brighter, taller, wider. It twists and sways, swirling like a river of light flowing across the heavens. The world falls silent. For a moment, there is nothing but you and the sky, breathing together. But what exactly is this magical phenomenon? The story of the aurora begins far away, at the heart of our star, the sun. The sun is constantly releasing a stream of charged particles into space that is called the solar wind. When these particles travel through the vast darkness of space and reach Earth, they encounter something invisible but powerful, the magnetosphere, our planet's protective magnetic field. Most of these particles are deflected away, like rain bouncing off an umbrella, but some slip through near the polar regions where the magnetic field is weakest. As they enter Earth's upper atmosphere, they collide with oxygen and nitrogen atoms. Those atoms absorb the energy and then release it as light. This light is what we see as the aurora. When oxygen releases energy, the aurora glows green or red sometimes. When oxygen releases energy, the aurora glows green or sometimes red. When nitrogen releases energy, we see blue or purple colors. It's a cosmic dance between the sun and the earth. The sky itself becomes a canvas of energy and light. The aurora isn't the same everywhere. In the north, we call it Aurora Borealis, which means dawn of the north. In the south, it's called Aurora Australis, or dawn of the south. To witness these lights, people travel to places like Tromsø in Norway, Fairbanks in Alaska, Reykjavik in Iceland, and Yellowknife in Canada. In the southern hemisphere, the best views come from New Zealand, Australia, or even Antarctica itself. These light shows are most common during the long, dark winter night, when the stars are clear and the sun's particles reach us in their strongest waves. The aurora doesn't just appear as a single shape. Sometimes it looks like a glowing arc stretched horizontally across the night sky. Other times it forms curtains of light, moving like silk in the wind. There are nights when the light explodes into swirling coronas, radiating from a single point high above. The display is alive, shifting with the strength of the solar wind, with Earth's magnetic heartbeat, with invisible forces we can only feel through our eyes. No two auroras are ever the same. Some are quiet and calm, a soft green glow that brushes the night. Others are wild and bright, brilliant ribbons of green, red, pink, and violet flashing like cosmic lightning. But there are times when Aurora is even more powerful. When the sun releases a coronal mass ejection, a massive burst of energy, Earth can experience what's called a geomagnetic storm. During these storms, the aurora can stretch far beyond the poles. It can light up skies above cities like New York City, Beijing, or Paris. These storms are spectacular, but also powerful enough to affect satellites, GPS, and power grids. It's a reminder that the aurora isn't just a decoration in the sky, it's a sign of how Earth is connected to the sun, a living part of a cosmic system. Long before scientists understood the aurora, ancient cultures created their own explanations. To the Norse, the northern lights were the shining armor of the Valkyries, warrior maidens guiding heroes to Valhalla. The Sami people of Scandinavia believed the light was spirit, so they speak softly when the sky was glowing out of respect. The Inuit people saw them as souls playing a game in the heavens. In parts of Asia, the aurora was thought to be dragons. In part of Asia, the aurora was thought to be dragons dancing across the night. Every culture looked up at the same light, and every culture felt the same awe. The stories may differ, but the wonder is universal. Today, we understand the science behind the aurora more clearly than ever. Satellites orbiting Earth measure solar winds in real time. Missions like those from NASA and the European Space Agency help scientists track how the sun interacts with Earth's magnetic field. Ground-based cameras and magnetometers record the light as they shift, teaching us more about space weather. But even with all our knowledge, the aurora still feels like a mystery because science can explain how it happened, but it can't fully describe how it feels to stand beneath it. For many travelers, seeing the aurora is a dream. Aurora chasers bundle up in thick jackets, drive out to frozen lakes, and wait in the silence of the night. Sometimes they wait for hours, but when the sky finally bursts into color, they say it's worth every second. To see the aurora, you need three things: darkness, patience, and a little bit of luck. There are no guarantees. The aurora doesn't follow a schedule, but maybe that's what makes it so special. It's a gift, not a performance. Beyond its beauty, the aurora matters in deeper ways. It's proof of the invisible forces that shape our world. It shows us how energy travels through space, how Earth protects us, and how connected everything truly is. The aurora is a language, a conversation between the sun and Earth. It's light born from collision. It's movement born from silence. It's chaos and harmony intertwined in the same sky. When we look up at the aurora, we aren't just seeing light. We are seeing the breath of a living planet. We are seeing the energy of a distant star reaching across space to touch us. We are seeing the same sky our ancestors saw hundreds and thousands of years ago. The world changes, technology advances, cities grow louder, but the aurora remains. A timeless reminder that there is still mystery, still magic, still wonder in this world. If you ever get the chance to see the aurora with your own eyes, take it. Go to the coast, stand in the dark, look up, let the world disappear until there's only you and the sky. Let the light move through you, not just across the sky, but into your soul. And in that moment, you will understand why people travel across the world just to see it, why poets write about it, why photographs chase it, why scientists study it. Because the aurora isn't just a spectacle. Because the aurora isn't just a spectacle, it's a feeling, one that stays with you forever. Thank you for joining me on this journey to explore one of Earth's most surreal and beautiful wonders. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the incredible mysteries of our planet. Remember, sometimes the most extraordinary things are already above us. All we have to do is look up.